People always ask me what's the difference between Tato and a generic note-taking tool. It's the specialization. Tato is built for large and complex ERP projects. The note-taker is just the tip of the iceberg. Let me show you some differentiator. If I go into Tato, you'll notice that this project have all of my activity from the project. Not just the meetings captured by the note taker, but also tickets from my project management tools, documents I have in SharePoint, chats from Microsoft Teams. And basically it creates this whole knowledge base for my project that I can leverage to accelerate the delivery of my ERP. I'm also giving context to Tato. I'm giving it some guardrails. So if I look at my D365 implementation, I'm breaking it down by the different business process that I will touch during my project. Tato will organize the different interaction across these business process. So if I look at my interactions, only 2 for order to cash, 10 for procure to pay, 12 for plan to introduce. And this will basically create compartments of my project that I can chat with. So for example, if I'm after the business requirement for procure to pay, now Tato will look at all of the discussion we had about procure to pay, not just one meeting, and it will start answering with some business requirements, some of my scope elements, and I could dive even deeper. So now that everything is generated, everything that Tato spits out will have a source. The idea is you want to leverage AI to accelerate, but you got to trust it if you want to leverage it. So everything that it's giving me points me to the exact meeting where we talked about exactly this, and I can dive deeper with the chat here that follows me. To summarize, Tato is not a note taker. It's a project knowledge base that I can use to increase my visibility, control my scope, but also accelerate the pace of my project. If you have Tato from the beginning of your project and there's one insight you want to extract, what would it be?